Hey guys, Carolina again. Sorry my last video with the demonstration went off. The time, the storage ran out, so this is part 2. So like I was saying it before it ended, when it does it like that, and you pull it down and your arms are really apart like that, and the rope is high. When it goes up like that, put your arm like this, bring your left arm down like that, and when you pull it, do that to make the coil. Also with taking rope in like that, some people don't do it like that. They put their hand, they make their hand go further apart like that, and they just keep it like that, but that way is dangerous. So what you do for it is make your hands like you're crawling like that. Don't know if that's the right angle because I had to delete some off my camera. And when you're doing stuff like this, like it is, like I've said before, you could do it, and there's also ways that people get them fast where they, say if I pull the sally right now, you put your hand like that and it keeps doing it like that and going crazy like that. That's what it looks like. That is what it looks like when people try to do it fast. The way how I do it fast is, guys, when I pull it, I just hardly pull at all and let the rope do the work. And I just keep catching the sally, like, but not pulling it, so it go, so I'm just guiding it, and then I keep on doing it like that. I do it slow at the start, so once I've took the first coil in, what I do for my ringing down is, when I do stuff like this, I just quickly but do this to take rope in, quickly make coils when it's doing it like that. Always keep on doing that, like you've seen in my ringing down the 3 and 5. And I got stuff like this. I'll be putting 2 links to my videos of ringing up and down, and you can see how the bell works when it's connected to a bell. And what it is like this, say guys, if the rope snaps and you don't have it, it keeps going like that, and it keeps on going like that, and going like that, and going out of control when you lose the rope or lose control. And say the rope could come fully down like that, and stuff could happen. But what I do to hang it back up is quickly grab the rope here to get it there, do this to pull myself up a bit. If I can get it hung. Whoa. Ow. Say now that I've gotten it back up there, which was painful because my feet are wet a bit from stuff. Like I've said, when it keeps on doing stuff like that, imagine I was on like there, it could grab it like that and it could pull it down. So say if you lose rope control and it keeps on going like that, and say if I was there right now, what I try to do is catch it. Once I catch it, when it's nearly down, just keep on, say if it was to the bit where it was halfway up like that, what I do is just keep doing this and making coils like that until it's fully down, so it doesn't cause any mayhem. And now that's a bit with the rope done, I'll show you another video with that rope again once. So what happens right here, sorry if it's not focused a lot. Say, I'll try to get it focused, but what is like here, say, that would be what happening with the bell when I was pulling the rope. So I was pulling it at the start, it'll keep doing that. And once it gets to this point, the Sally will bounce. And when I talked about setting the bell, it would be like that. That's when it's at the hand stroke. That's what it's like at the tail end. Well, it falls off because the thing there's broke. Bits of it are broken. Say with a handbell like this, you just have to do that to swing them. And there's some bells, like say I just swapped in and I just pulled the Sally like that, it'll just bounce back up and you'll see the bell sound like this. So, hope you enjoyed this part 1 and 2 of it. Sorry about part 1 being cut off. So what I will do, guys, if the camera doesn't look very good, I'll re-record it once. So if you enjoyed, then please subscribe for future content. Until next time, ring out.